Hi everybody, today it's Saturday and it's about time and timing that I will send you some important messages. The old cannot exist anymore in no dimension, and we should allow in the new. And this is why we create holidays. The holidays is not holidays. I'm going to tell you a few secrets about these holidays that really changing everything between us and us. There are no relationship with others. There are no effect by others. There is no love others. There is no hate others. There is no forgiveness to others. All the anger that's about us. And when we angry, when we create a chance to fix and we're not fixing, and we put our mind and we're not going to our spirit. So let's begin few days, even we pass Yom Kippur, but it's very important. First of all, before I tell you a few words, these days from Kippur to Sukkot, this year, it's my purpose day. And my purpose is very important in this universe because also I have the sun there. So it's very high days for me. It's very important. And all the lifetimes in one picture, and it's a very important time. This is why I'm sending you these messages. Kippur, it was the only day that the higher self was coming down. Of course, there is no outside God, but it was the higher self was coming down into the body for 26,000 years. And the person, through his connection to his purpose, to the reason why he chose to born, he used to sign life or not. And now, because the higher self is totally in the body, it's different. Because all the year we extract the light from the material, from money, from sex, from food, from the picture, from the mirror and the pictures that we create. And in Kippur, it's 24 hours that the light is direct. It's the holiday and the birthday of the higher self. So this is why it's very important in this day to not to touch money, not to deal with money, not to deal with business, not to deal with sex. And with food, yes, I recommend to eat and not to fast, because it's very important to be full awareness and to think spirit and to feel spirit and to feel your higher self. And when you're hungry, usually you're not focusing. So this is few days about Kippur, and this Kippur was very high, the highest ever that I pay attention in my lifetime. And now today we begin in the full moon of Sukkot. And it's not connected just to Judaism. Full moon in Sukkot, it's the soulmate of the full moon of Leil Assedo for Passover. The Leil Assedo is the spirit dimension, and here Sukkot is the material dimension. This is why in Israel that it's so exact. It's the first day that always it's raining. And in Hebrew, materialism, it's coming from the word rain. So Sukkot, it's a very powerful day. And this year it's a chance to build your physical body, your connection, your contact with money, your daytime, your work. It's 70 days from Hanukkah, because it's the 70th dimension that we made of. The Sukkah is supposed to be the same size like your energy field. Inside Sukkot there is a very powerful holiday that you can check through your shadow, and through the shadow you can tell what's missing in you. So it's a very important time, and very big tuning. And today and tomorrow actually I'm going to tune you in this amazing new contract between you and material. And remember, we are human beings. We never get the light direct. We extract the light from the material. And tomorrow it's the material day, the 70th dimension that we made of till Hanukkah to build a new body. And of course there are more and more and more secrets about it. It's the freedom in the frame. It's something so powerful that complete the Passover. So this is it, very short messages that you will not forget your spirit and not forget the mission and the purpose, and just with full awareness agree that your spirit will purify through your body, because that's total all the reason why you're born, why you choose to born, why you choose everything. This is it. Bye.